Okay, JaZelle, the next one on our list to make is a star. There's lots of ways you can make a star, but the basics start out the same way. We're going to start a sketch. Go ahead and start a sketch. So hopefully you're starting to realize that this going into a sketch, getting out of a sketch, those are things that we do with great frequency. Okay? Those are the basics. And after you've done this hundreds and thousands of times, you don't even think about it. But the first couple times, you're like, what the heck's going on here? So what is a star? Well, we could turn on this tool up here next to circle called line, and we could just kind of sketch a star shape. And you'll notice as you draw, the software kind of wants to help you line things up and make it look good. So we could try to utilize those functions of the program. So there's a star, right? Okay, it's not a great star. But I'm no longer making lines. So if you draw the star and you keep making lines, what you can do is hit the escape key on the keyboard, or you can right click and then there'll be a check mark here to stop making lines. Once the star is kind of made, you can do this kind of thing and pull on the different endpoints and adjust it. So that's one way to make a star. I'm kind of scrolling out, and then if you hold the mouse wheel in like a button, you can strafe left and right. So these are like the little things that you don't think about as a teacher, but as a student, you kind of need to know them. I'm going to do the star a different way that's a little more geometrically precise. I'm going to go under Create and choose Polygon. And I'll choose one of these top two, and I'll maybe choose the second one. And then I'm going to come down, oh my goodness, and just draw a polygon. And my polygon has 6 sides, so I'm going to change that. Hit Tab over and hit 5 sides. Okay. Just kind of straighten it out so that it's going like straight as possible. Well, there's a tool to help with that. So you see how my bottom line isn't super straight? I can click this one, vertical horizontal alignment, and then click that and it should straighten right out. Okay. So now we've got a pentagon, and you're probably like, why the heck did you draw a pentagon? Well, I can go ahead and turn the line back on and just connect the different points on the outside. So I'm just going to make sure everyone's got one, and the end result will be a nice star. And hopefully you can see that in there. But we got all these extra lines that we need to get rid of. So, you know, this is a cool design kind of by itself, but we can go in here, choose these scissors up here. This is called the trim tool. This is a super powerful tool. We just trim out the lines we don't want. So I'm going in, getting rid of every line segment that we don't want, which should leave us a nice star at the end of the time. Okay, if we wanted to 3D print these stars, we can finish the sketch and then turn on extrude, click a star, bring it into the 3rd dimension, right? You can do both of them. You can go that way, then go that way. You can actually go both directions at the same time. And what's the other one? Asymmetric, or 2 sides. So this one you can drag one this way, drag the other one that way. Different amounts. You can also do the taper business. I don't know how that's going to look with a star, but whoa. Okay. Let me undo that, and I don't know. This video is kind of short, so I'm going to show you. This is kind of a deep thing, so I'm going to go ahead and click this front side. So we can't really see the stars. We're looking at them directly from the side. They're a 2-dimensional object. I'm going to click Sketch and put a sketch on this perpendicular plane. Okay? And then I'm going to use a tool called Arc. And I'm going to make sure that my arc goes over my star. Let's try that again. Arc, 3-point arc. So we'll connect it to the star. We'll put it way out here. We'll just draw an arc like this. Okay? A nice arc. You're like, why are you doing that, man? So here's why I'm doing it. Actually, this might not work. Let's try to move it. Move it over the star. Okay. Under Create is one called Sweep. Sweep's kind of cool. We can select the star and select the path, and then it makes your star go along that path. So that's another option for you. Oh, let's redo. That's another option for you in your design is a sweep. Okay. Next up, I think I'm going to stop for the morning because I got to go get my kids up and get everybody ready for school. So we've got the cube, the cup, and the star. I showed you a few things. So these are like the basics, right? We've done sketch, how to get in and out of a sketch. Got some sketch tools like rectangle, line, circle, and arc now. Showed you that polygon thing. So those are lots of different tools. In the modified tab, we did a fillet, we did a shell, and we did appearances. So those are some basic things, okay? And combining those in new and different ways will get you all sorts of results. So we'll stop there for today. If you can do all this stuff, then you are awesome, and